What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at 9 Shopify cheat codes that you can use to set up your store for higher conversion rates and selling more on the Shopify platform. These range everywhere from just easy edits to the code to a few apps that I really like to use on Shopify. All right, let's go ahead and hop into these so that you can start selling more. Most people know that adding related products to your product pages can do a lot to boost sales and potentially upsells on your Shopify website. The problem is that app developers also know how much value this adds to your Shopify store, so they charge outrageous monthly prices just to use their apps. Fortunately, there's a really easy way to edit the code on your Shopify store and start recommending related products yourself. Now I'm going to pull up the tutorial briefly here so that you guys can check it out, but I also have a separate video on this, so make sure to take a look at that as well. Now, the rules for editing code apply a little bit differently depending on whether you have a sectioned theme or a non-sectioned theme, and that really depends on when your theme was created by Shopify. So make sure to follow the right guidelines. A great way to drive traffic to your store that's very monetizable and relevant to the stuff that you're selling is through SEO, but SEO can be difficult. You can get a free trial on alexa.com to test out their SEO tools. This is going to help you gauge how difficult it is to rank against your competitors and how possible it may be to get a top 10 spot for certain keywords. A few other tools that I recommend checking out are the competitor keyword matrix and the competitor backlink checker. You can use the Pagefly app to get free customizable landing pages for your Shopify website. The free trial allows you to customize 3 of these pages, and once that trial is over, you can actually hold on to those pages and continue to use them. You just can't make any updates. I also have another video on this, so feel free to check that out if you want a more in-depth tutorial. Add a trust badge to your product pages on the website. Hector e-commerce offers a free trust badge app that does a lot to kind of show your customers that you're a legitimate website. I really like the look and feel of these trust badges, and some of the more updated badges have Google Pay and Apple Pay. Take a look at the Recart Messenger Marketing app. There's a 28-day free trial, and it is one of my favorite tools to use with Shopify. So essentially what you do is you'll have customers opt in to Facebook Messenger Marketing, and that way if they abandon cart, you can easily send them a well-designed message within Facebook Messenger that asks them to come back to their cart and gives them a discount code. I found this to be much more highly converting than emails and even Facebook retargeting ads. When this app was initially in beta testing version, they were letting beta test users get free service for life. Unfortunately, it's no longer free, but there is still that 28-day free trial. And if it's working for you and you're getting enough sales, this app is absolutely worth it. Product reviews are very important for your online store. Rivio is a great free app that allows for a Q&A section and photos along with your reviews. But if you're using Shopify for dropshipping, you may want to check out Ali Reviews. This is a really cool tool that does cost money, but it allows you to import reviews from AliExpress. There's a free trial available for Ali Reviews, and adding a lot of reviews to each product page is going to go a long ways to building trust for your customers and converting more sales. Use LSI keywords for your on-page SEO on product pages. LSI stands for Latent Semantic Indexing, and it's a little bit similar to long-tail keywords, but kind of more precise in how these related keywords are going to identify with Google and show your page to more potential customers. You can check out lsigraph.com if you want to kind of test out some LSI keywords. Take advantage of the Shopify free trial. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can go ahead and check that out. You get 2 free weeks to set up your Shopify store, and all it takes is an email address. You don't have to add any payment info. What I like to do is actually use a few different email addresses and test multiple Shopify stores at the same time. That way I can tweak the themes and tweak a little bit with the apps to see what turns into the highest converting store, and then I'll end up choosing that store to move forward with. Use the best currency converter app to convert the pricing for your products to up to 5 different currency values. This does a lot to add authority to your store because it shows that you're able to sell in multiple important markets. And having authority is important because it builds trust with your potential customers. This app is completely free if you only want up to 5 different currencies available. And there's 3 different designs for the currency formatting. That's all for the Shopify cheat codes. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel down below because I'm going to be having tons of different Shopify updates that help you sell more online. And if you enjoyed this video, once again, hit that like button. Show me some love.